Hey, how you doing? It's Garage Door Mike. Today we're gonna show you Shoreline Walnut from CHI. This is a stunner. This is right up there with one of the coolest doors I've put in 32 years. First of all, you have the CHI Accents laser powder coat print with the beadboard backing. It's kind of hard to see with the light and everything, but I'll show you when we get close up. You could see like the beadboard in there. It's like the slats running like this. Okay. So that's done. CHI's got a patent on that, and that looks really good. Then the overlays. What more could you say here? That looks like wood to me. Absolutely stunner of a door. This is the polyurethane. I think it only comes urethane. So you get like a 16 to 18 R value. 24-inch top glass. The inserts are built right in. These are not the cheese ball plastic inserts. So these are built in. Those are nice 1/2-inch insulated glass. 24-inch top, 24-inch third, and then your two 18 bottoms, and then we'll trim it off. I think the weather strip's over here somewhere. I'm gonna see. Yeah, there we go. Put the trim on at the end. We put 20-inch radius on here. I'll bring you in there in just a minute. There's a pass door in there where the 15-inch radius was like right in your face. So I'll show you the pass door and or the 20-inch. Let's make sure we're not. Here we go. The guys are in here. We're gonna be all quiet. Thank you very much. Here we go. We got the big 20 hooks right in here. That's nice. And you can see back here the angle iron, how far down the 15s came. Or I think they had 12s on here. Didn't they have 12s on there? Yep. Yeah, I think the 12s were up here. So that was all hanging down, and then you could see from 12s to 20 what you're gonna get. You're gonna gain almost like a foot, maybe a little bit more, maybe 13 inches or 14 inches, but that's all good there. You got the nice reinforced track all the way. For this model here, you get 11 gauge end, wide body hardware, all 13 zinc plated seal wheels. Over here, show you this 20-inch right here. And there's the doorway, so it goes right over the door. So when we're done, we're gonna lop that off with a sawzall, and then that's not gonna be in their face anymore. And this thing looks awesome. There's like a bottom fixture. Excuse me. Here's get up here, get the light adjusted. There we go. There's the spring we did. Not too heavy of springs on here, but we put a little reinforcement bracket on there. So we got that done. These are like 30,000 plus. There's a little bit of a better view from up top. And we're gonna probably leave the commercial angle up there on the ceiling, and we'll just, there's 2 holes there, and then we'll just do a shredder, screw or something for the kicker. And that's it. Let me get down from here. And then for the operator, we'll probably use this guy right here. And for right now, we're gonna grab some of this. Delish. And then we're working on the opener here. Is this the one with the camera?
Yep.
So I don't 87504. I'm so confused. They change the part numbers on these openers every 15 minutes now. So we're just calling this the belt one with the video camera. That's what you got. Battery backup. I don't even know the model numbers anymore. Excuse me. We're gonna open up here, and we're gonna close the drawbridge. And we'll finish you off with this door. Just like I said, this is a stunner. Awesome looking door. There we go. For all your garage door needs, Innovative 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook. We'll like you. We'll like you anyway. Thank you for subscribing. Without you, it don't happen. Bless all you guys and gals. Let's see, we'll do a Happy New Year shout out to the Virginia crew for Nick's Garage Door, Brazilian Hot Dog, Garage Door Geek. I can't think of too many more of the people right off the top of my head. It's freezing outside. It is February. But thank all you people who subscribe and watch the videos. Without you, it don't happen. For show, drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you for watching our accent / shoreline urethane walnut stunner wood faux garage door video. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching, man. We'll see you on the next one.